giving you guys a full empty house tour of my brand new place. And yes, I said new place. I'm so excited to show you guys. I think it's like literally perfect. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it.
Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Okay, so clearly this is my garage. It fits my car perfectly. Don't show too much. Don't show too much. Here is how you enter the home.
Straight out of a scary movie right here.
Come inside, come inside, come inside. When you come in from the garage, you have this cute little nook, and you can sit here. I think I'm probably gonna put like some cute pillows or something right here. You can hang up your purse, your coats, your jackets, whatever. And then up here I have a shelf. And then if you look down below, it's like a shoe cubby, I wanna say. Or I might just put like cute little decorations because I already have a shoe rack. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. But I like this little nook. I think it's like the cutest thing ever. Like, I'm probably gonna take some pictures right here. But this is what you see when you first come in from the garage. Okay, so if you come over here, when you first come in, I have a half bathroom. It's so cute in here. It just has a sink and this mirror. I'm probably gonna take so many pictures right here. And this cute little thing right here. And if you come in, it's a little toilet for guests, so they do not have to come upstairs at all. I have a half bathroom, which is so convenient. Follow me, follow me. Look at this freaking wall, y'all. Like, this is like what really drew me to the place, because I don't even know what this is called. Maybe paneling? Don't quote me on that. I just feel like it's just like such a grand entrance, and the high ceiling. I love the high ceilings, and I just love this detail right here when you first come in. And if you keep walking, you come in, you guys will see my kitchen, and it's all white. This is like perfect case scenario. I love a good white kitchen with a huge island. I'm just in love. If you come over here, you guys will see my refrigerator, which is touchscreen. I don't even know how to work it yet, but it is touchscreen. And I have a water dispenser and an ice dispenser. And if you open it up, you know, just a regular, smuggler refrigerator, which I'm probably not gonna use much because I still don't cook, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. So the countertops are marble and they're white, and the backsplash is white. This is what the inside looks like. So much storage. I have some drawers here, and I have storage up underneath here. And then I have my pantry. This is my pantry. I can step all the way inside my pantry. I really like how they put it in the corner of the kitchen, because like I won't have to like go out the kitchen to go into my pantry. So I really like this, and I feel like it's so cute. It's gonna be full with snacks and whatever. You come over my house, you already know snacks on deck. You come over here, I just have more counter space and cabinet space, more drawers. All it is, I have a, what do you call this, electric stove. I think it's so cute and chic. And if you look in, I got me a nice little oven. Like I said, I don't do too much cooking, so it's just here to look good. And more space and more storage. And you come around, you see my huge island. I'm so in love. I'm probably gonna use this as like a bar and put my bar stools up underneath here. And I love how this up under here is like a mint green color. I want to say that's like one of my new favorite colors, because every time I see mint green, my eyes just go straight to it. And I have a deep sink and running water, of course. And then you come over here, I have a dishwasher, which I don't really use. I only use a dishwasher to put my dishes, to dry my dishes. I hand wash all my dishes because that's just how I was raised. So I only use a dishwasher to just dry my dishes. But if you come over here, this is this is gonna be all of my living space. And this is probably where I'll end up mounting my 75-inch TV, I wanna say. This is probably where that's gonna go. I really hope this space is big enough, but I think it will be because I think when you mount it, it sticks out through the wall. So I think my TV will be able to fit. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's get into these floors. Do y'all see these floors? These hard wooden floors? Like, so perfect. I love them so much. And I love how when I open up my blinds, I will have so much sunlight coming in here. All from the back. It is gonna be so pretty when I open up my blinds. And as you guys can see, that same paneling that was in the beginning of the house is in my living room. So I just, you know, it really just did it for me when I saw that. Now we're gonna head upstairs. So when you come up the stairs, you guys will see this is like the hallway area. You come this way. You'll see my washer and dryer unit. And this will be all the space that I have to put all of my stuff. And I think I want to do it really cute and like organize it really cute. Clear containers and stuff. I think I'm going to do the whole 9. Okay, so right from my little laundry nook, is that what we're going to call it? This is not a room, it's like a laundry closet. But you're going to step into room number 1. And I don't really know how I'm gonna assign these rooms yet, so these are just rooms for right now. And they're pretty good space, and if you look up, I have nice high ceilings. I love that, and it's so spacious in here. And then you guys can see it's just a small closet over here, which like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna be using this room for yet, so more to come. Follow me. Now we're gonna go into room number 2, and this is another very, very spacious room if you look. And this one has a little bit more space off to the side. And we got this bad boy over here. Don't ask no questions. Hold on. Yeah. We have a nice big window right here. And like I said, this is just another room for right now. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but the possibilities are endless. Like, it's just so much wall space and so much white space to just do it exactly how I want to do it. And that's really what I love about this place. More high ceilings. And if you come over here, it's just another closet. This one is a little bigger than the last one. And like I said, don't really know what's gonna go in there yet because I don't know what this room is gonna be. So come on in. This is the guest bathroom. And the countertops are the same as the kitchen. They are marble. Everything is white. I even have some drawers down here. It's literally perfect. You come inside. This bathroom has a bathtub and of course a toilet. And this is a private room, so you can close this door right here. But this is the guest bathroom. Oh my God, the pictures in this place is about to go bomb because every time I look in the mirror, it's just like perfect. Like all I want to do is just pose. Like, okay, let's go. Another thing I really like is how I can look over my steps, and I don't know, this is just a really cute space. It's not enough space to put anything right here, but I just love how this hallway is just, you know, I might put a mirror right here, but I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do everything yet, but I think that is just so cute, and I just love a white place. Okay, so if you come this way, this is the master bedroom. This is where your girl will reside. This will be my room. I just love how spacious it is. I can't wait to decorate it in here. So much natural lighting in the space, and like I said, I don't really know how I'm gonna do it yet, but super cute. And over here is my bathroom, and the same exact counters. I have more drawers in this bathroom, and of course some storage up underneath the sinks. I have double sinks, and if you come this way, you guys will see my shower, but you can open up my shower door, and this is how it would look. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean out the whole entire place. I'm gonna get it professionally clean, so don't worry about my shoes in here. Plus, these are new shoes, so yeah. But I have a seat in here. I like that because I like to be able to sit down when I'm shaving and stuff and just get the legs real good, you know. But I also have some shelves in here, which would be so helpful. I don't gotta buy like a little caddy or nothing. And yeah, glass door. And come over here. This is my walk-in closet that I cannot wait to decorate and put all my stuff in here. This is like more than enough space to put all of my stuff. I have so much space on the floor. I can put my shoes. I have space that I can put my purses and my slides and everything in here. It's just perfect, and it's space on both sides. So I cannot wait to put all of my stuff here. You know, my last closet I color coordinated, so I'm probably gonna do the same thing in here and just make it look really cute. And it's enough space in here to also put a full body mirror, so I'm probably gonna do that too. But yeah, this is my closet. It's so much space, and I cannot wait to decorate it. Like, literally cannot wait. And let's head back downstairs. Okay, so y'all, I am so excited to bring you guys on this journey with me. I will be showing you guys how I decorate every single room. I will be going shopping with you guys. We're gonna go through this whole process with each other because this honestly and truly would not be possible without you guys. I don't even want to do too much, but y'all already know I've been doing YouTube since I was 14. I would have never ever guessed that I would be 19 being able to have my own places. And just, you know what I mean? Like, this just feels so surreal, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. I am appreciative of every last single one of you guys. And as you guys know, I'm about to hit 400K, so this will be like my road to 400K. And just taking you guys on this just new journey, and I just want to document every last single thing that I do. Yeah, I'm so excited, but this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like my new place, give me a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my past page is lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.